see that golf swing, son. There you go. Ooh, look at that golf swing. Ooh. You looking good, baby. Oh, look at that. Powerful. Don't hit the TV. Ooh, look at that golf swing. Ooh, that's powerful, son. That's powerful. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, people. You heard her say hi, people. Say hi, people.
Hi, people.
You gotta say hi, YouTube. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
Hey. And what you doing over there, Roman, my little golfer? What you doing, you stinky butt? You stinky butt. You stinky butt. Whoa. I like your hair, Royal. Your hair is pretty. Your hair is pretty. Ooh, shake that hair, girl. Shake that hair, girl.
Like a pro, like a pro. Yeah, I'm trading like a pro. Like a pro, like a pro. Making profit like a pro.
Like a pro, time to let them know. Bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro.
We getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, huh? Stacking that money from the trades, huh?
Ay, we getting paid, we getting paid, we getting paid, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits. And thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Like I said, guys, I'm keeping them rolling. I'm having a good time recording these videos, helping you guys. I'm just chilling. It looked like I'm in a jail cell recording this video, but I'm in that all blue. I'm in high level security. No, I'm just playing. Look, this is just my new little studio setup, and I haven't got everything set up yet. I got boxes all over the place. I'm still unpacking. Matter of fact, take me a quick little sip right quick. So yeah, still unpacking. It's been a long time because I can't just take 2 weeks off and just unpack everything and then, you know, don't do any work. So we gotta, we gotta just go at my own pace, basically. So hope y'all enjoyed the clips with my kids. I know a lot of people like seeing my kids, and you guys don't get to see them a lot. Quite frankly, I appreciate you guys for all the encouragement and all the love you guys show me. So just wanted to, cheer y'all up on a Sunday morning and show you my kids. But now look, so we got all the war going on, and I wanted to talk about stop loss. Excuse me if there's a lot of echo. I don't got all my treated acoustic stuff in the room yet, so it might be a little echo, but it's all good because the content is still fire, you feel me? So we want to talk about stop loss. Now, this is going to be a very, very good stop loss training, okay? And my stop losses are usually no more than 20 pips, sometimes maybe 25, but most of the time they like 15, 20 pips. All right, so that's pretty good, especially trading London sessions, especially trading the pound pairs. So let's get to it. And I want to lace you guys up as you get started to trading this week. All right, so check this out. So, and also if you guys find value in this, please like the video. Please like the video as you coming in, and subscribe if you haven't, because I lace you guys up because I want to see you win. So check this out. Let's say this stop loss right here. I mean, not stop loss, this trend line. Let's put this trend line right here. All right, let's say you want to get in on this position here. Somewhere you want to get in right here. All right. Now, you probably were expecting this to break through. Y'all hear my little kid screaming in the background? I don't know if y'all hear him or not. You probably was expecting it to break through and go to the upside, but it didn't. It held. So either way, you ready. You know what I mean? You're going to be ready either way. So if you took this sell, let's rewind this a little bit. And let's say you wanted to get in on this. So for one, you see it, okay, it's about to break. Oh, it never breaks. If it don't break this trend line, you don't touch it. Simple as that. All right. And I'm on a 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 30 because I like to see the stuff on the 30. You see how candles get clear? You can see all these wicks and dojis. I don't just be sitting on that 15-minute chart. I want to see the 30 too. So at this point, you probably thinking like, hey, we're at the trend line. It didn't break. It showed me a doji candle. So maybe you take it here. So let's say this is your entry right here. Now, where's your stop loss going to be? Now, we're only talking about stop losses. We'll make another video for take profit. But we're just going to do stop loss training. And then next week, come Monday or Tuesday, we might do take profit training. Where's your stop loss going to be at? Is it going to be here? Above this doji? Is it going to be here? Is it going to be here? Is it going to be above the 50 whenever you get in? You know, let's count it up. That's 24 pips. That's the max I will go there. But I think that we can do better. So let's put a stop loss here. Now go to the 15-minute when you're ready to put your stop loss in, and it'll show you a clear picture now. And I'll put my stop loss about right there above these wicks, because you want to give it room to mess around. Now here's the thing though, and I'm gonna be honest with you, in this situation, if it breaks the trend line and comes up here, I don't want to get stopped out at that point. Because if it breaks this trend line and retest it, I want to be a part of the buy. So I want to be in this situation. I want to get out earlier so I can potentially make some money to the upside if I had the direction wrong. So in this situation, I think I'm going to go lower. And this is for scalpers and day traders, okay? I think I would like to go a little lower. Maybe let's just put it right here. And maybe that'll give me enough room to figure out what's going on. I still feel like this is too tight. Now price is here. You know, I feel like, let's see how many pips this is. It might be good. Let's see. That's 12 pips. Yeah, that might be cutting it close. That might be all right, because you did wait for the indecision candles to show up. You did wait for price to close below the 50 again. So that might be the tightest I would go. And this is about perfect. This is where I would go to be a perfect stop loss. Okay. So, and that's just because, understand, that's the trend line. So if it breaks the trend line and stop me out, I still want to be able to get some profit up to here, up to this level, if it was to break it. But this is the safer one. This is just out of control. Like that's more something for a longer hold, you know, because price may drop, work its way back up, play around, drop even lower. So that's going to be for a longer hold there, but this is probably perfect there. Let's go to the hour. And there we go. So let's go back to the 30. So that's how I would have placed my trend line on that one. Now let's go through a couple different trainings, a couple different examples. I mean, so let me delete this trend line. Now I gave you a trend line example for a sell. Let's see one that breaks it and turns into a buy. And let's go through another one. Yeah, that's right. Another one. All right. So this is like this is really steep, but let's just use this so we can get these concepts down pretty quick. I don't hold you guys too long on a Sunday. All right, because I do respect your time. Now, we can only take it once it breaks, right? So let's say you take it here. All right, let's rewind it so it can be clear for you. Now, where is this stop loss going to be at? It broke it. This stop loss is going to be here. Right? Not here. Right here. All right, let's go to the 15-minute and fine tune it. And that looks good. This is actually perfect. And it's below the 50. That's going to be a good one right there. So that's how I would do entry, stop losses there, and let it do what it do. If it plays around and don't go anywhere, it is what it is. Look at that. Almost hitting that stop loss. Never really hit it though. Maybe a spread did, but it held it held for the longest time. I don't think nothing hit it. I don't think, maybe a spread depending on your broker, but right up in here, it got really, really close, but that was a really good spot. All right, so now for an example, look at what we got here. We have price dropping through, pulling back. So let's say we put one here. Where's the stop loss going to be? Now, I don't know. This is, they may get it wrong. It may just go through and go up, like I said, or it may just drop down. Who knows? But right here in this situation, I'm trying to give you many different scenarios before, so you guys can be ready to trade this week. So stop loss is going to be there. See how many pips this is. All right, 20 pips. So that's what I'm saying. I always will put myself in a situation that I'm 15 to 20 pip stop losses pretty much all the time. I'm never having a 25 to catch 10 pips. I'm never having a 30 pip stop loss to catch 10, 15 pips. It's never the case. And guys, I'm very patient. I'm very patient. And I wait for it to come to me. And so when price comes to me, I pretty much don't even get that much drawdown. I've been doing it so long. And guys, I'll be happy to teach you the way that I trade. I don't hold anything back from the team. You know, head on over to Trend Trading Academy. If you guys are tired of wasting your time and wasting money and you know, just repeating the circle, the hamster wheel, the cycle, and you guys aren't getting anywhere. Do you want to get somewhere? Do you actually want to see what it feels like to be profitable for a whole month, 2 months, 3 months? I'm telling you, what we do works. I ain't saying that the way we trade is the only way. I would never be stupid to say something like that. That's very ignorant. I know there's a terrible way to trade, but to say that your way is the only way, and that's just the only way that works for you. So don't ever really pay no mind to people that say that. They just really just trying to win you over, pretty much. I'm gonna keep it real with you. What I do is not the only way to trade, but it's very, very profitable and it's very, very easy. So, and the profitability of it is about 75 to 80% win rate, and that's all you need. And the ones that you lose, like I said, I'm teaching you the stop loss. You ain't gonna blow your account. You know what I mean? And the ones that lose is just risk management to keep you from blowing your account. So let's see what happened here. Perfect. That's a win. That's a win. And that's the stop out. So that's a win there. So how many pips did you win on that? All right, 30 pips. 30 pips. And the stop loss was 19, 20 pips. So that's the position you want to be in. So if I pulled out the risk to reward thing for a short, it would have looked like this. Boom. Boom. So you at least want the 1-to-1, right? Here's the 1-to-1 right here. You at least want the 1-to-1. And then if it's looking good and flowing good, then you know you can ride it out. But you along the way, you're gonna move up the stop loss. Right? So this was your original stop loss up here. Then you just go ahead and move it into profit as it keep breaking down lower. And let's rewind that. Okay, so I'm moving up that stop loss. As it keep breaking down lower, making those pivots, you just keep putting the stop loss up. Boom. So there's the first one that you will move. It's all the way down here. You're going to secure that little bit of profit. All right. And now you can see it making another pivot. So you move it down to this level. And you guys got to be professional enough to do that, not to just know that, but to do it. And you know, and so you got to understand that you're down here. What is that ratio? You feel me? Listen to me. When you have the risk to reward, this is the short position tool. It's called a short position, and it's the risk to reward ratio tool. When you see that you're past 1-to-1. You got to start considering how to manage your account, how to manage the money, or how to manage the trade. So you got to start taking money out the market. You got to start taking, you know, half position away. You're 1-to-1. You know, the stop loss is cool, but I would do the stop loss. And then as you get to 1-to-1, I would start taking maybe half or 30% off the table and put that in your account. All right. Do y'all understand that? Rewind that if you don't understand that. All right. So I showed you trend line scenarios, and I even showed you how to get in on a pullback and where to put the stop loss. Now you guys got to be waiting. Matter of fact, I did a class on how to time when the pullback is over, how to know when the pullback is over. I did a class on that. Super in depth. If you guys want to watch that, click on the link above. It's over here where I forget. But click on the link above and you'll be able to get to that, the video. Watch that video, guys. Very, very powerful. And I promise you, it's going to help you, because a lot of people they only know how to catch a breakout. They only know how to do one thing. The more you know, the more, the easier it'll get to make this money. All right, so if you want to learn how to do the pullback, how to time when it's over, watch that video. It's going to really help you guys. I want to get this channel out there. I want to get to 200,000 subscribers, guys. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please hit the subscribe button, because I want to help as many people as possible become independent traders so they can get their time freedom back and start empowering people around them. All right, so if you're down with that, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.